Ta-da! This is the most exciting moment when we put all parts together. Here's the front. Here's one pocket, mesh pockets, large pocket with elastic, small pocket, ironing pan, and here's how it looks like. So now we have to make only 2 steps. First one to set the binding, and the second one is putting snaps, and the bag is going to be ready. For the binding, I choose this beautiful fabric. Batiks is always matching very perfectly the fabrics I use. So I need to use the width of the fabric, which is 44 inches, and I need 2 strips, 2.5 inch. Then I need to stitch together 2 of these pieces, and the total length is supposed to be 29, which is the length of the side of the bag, plus 14, the top of the bag, which would be 43, and the width of the fabric 42. So we need to cut off just 3 inch of that piece, and our total is going to be 86.5 inches of these 2 strips total to put the binding around the whole bag. When I stitch these pieces together, I need to fold it in half and press, then start stitching this part of binding starting from the bottom. I put it underneath and start stitching from here all around the bag. So as I said, the binding, which was 2.5 inch wide, we fold it in half and press it, then put it underneath the bag. Here's the bag. I put it underneath to the front of the bag, and I'm stitching 3/8 of inch seam allowance. You can see this, 3/8. So when you're going close to the corner, I'm putting needle down, then turn the whole thing 45 inch, stitch next several more stitches, and cut the thread. Now I put it underneath there and continue stitching here. In the corner, we're going to make this nice 45-degree fold.